Let me show you how easy it is to get trending topic ideas for YouTube videos. Come to YouTube Creator AI, come to Topic Scout, and you can put in your category, you can put in a custom. Let's say you're a gaming channel and you're going to start doing videos about Battlefield 6. So you can put in a custom niche here, you can be as specific as you want, and we're going to find trends. So what this is going to do is going to give us 5 video ideas about Battlefield 6. So, if you're doing general gameplay, that's fine, but this could also give you some specific ideas that you could, niche down some of these videos. It's going to take a little bit of time because it's going to do the research for you. It's going to give you 5 trending topic ideas, why it's trending, and what the angle is. So here we go. Here, number 1, Battlefield 6 ladder launching gone wild, why it's trending. The Battlefield 6 day 1 experience. So it's going to tell us why it's trending, the angle, and how you can film it. Number 2, number 3. Here's a number 4, cut content, and number 5. So this is going to give you 5 specific ideas. They're going to be ranked 1 through 5. So come to YouTube Creator AI, come to the Topic Scout, and you can put in a custom niche, and it's going to give you 5 ideas. And once you have the ideas here, you can start expanding the video. You can ask our AI about it. You can click this and carry this up to the video titles and start creating your whole video package. You can come down here and start writing a full script about it. So you can copy, or you can put a couple keywords about what your video is. You could do a hook generator. So check it out. YouTube Creator AI, come to the Topic Scout, put in your custom niche or what you want to make some videos about, and it's going to eliminate the guesswork and give you exactly what you need. You can claim your free trial. Just put in your email, no credit card needed. You're going to get a link to sign back in. Check it out, YouTubeCreatorAI.com.